Hello and welcome to Fat Monkey 404. Today we're doing a Speed Champion set which was bought through points from all the sets I've bought on Lego. It's set number 30683 McLaren Formula 1 car. Let's get cracking. And that's a wrap. Like I said, a little baby F1 car that sit next to the other Speed Champions McLaren I've got. But yeah, that's it. Nice, only a quick one. That's it for now. Adios. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, and if you can, subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.